Alright, hey everyone, this is example number 6. So it says verify the identity cotangent squared theta over 1 plus cosecant theta equals 1 minus sine theta over sine theta. Now, what we have done for the other examples is we looked at some of these and we try to say, can I get this one to match that one? And that's going to be kind of tough with these because we got a lot of fractions, we have a lot of stuff going on, and I don't want to have to get this one to look exactly the same as that one. So what we're going to try and do is simplify this left side, and we're going to try and simplify the right side and see if we can maybe get them to be equal. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to try and do is, I see this cotangent and I see a 1 plus, so if this was 1 plus cosecant squared, maybe that would be a little bit better. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this cotangent squared, and I'm going to rewrite this as one of my Pythagorean identities. Now, we're going from a square to the addition, right? So cotangent squared is going to be the same as cosecant squared minus, cosecant theta minus 1, right? So now I've gone from one thing to two things. Okay, so now I've got a problem because I have this over 1 plus cosecant theta, and this is over 1 plus cosecant theta. Right, so now I have cosecants and 1s, but I don't have them to be canceling out yet because I have to do the whole numerator and the whole denominator. Alright, but what I can do is if it's cosecant theta minus 1, these are actually both perfect squares. So I can say this is cosecant theta minus 1 times cosecant theta plus 1. Right? And if I were to distribute this, the two middle terms cancel out, so I get cosecant times cosecant, cosecant squared, and negative 1 times positive 1 is negative 1. So those are a way of factoring this cosecant theta minus 1, or cosecant squared theta minus 1, and I end up with 1 plus cosecant theta in the denominator. Well, 1 plus cosecant theta is the same as cosecant theta plus 1, so these cancel out, and this whole left side just becomes cosecant theta minus 1. So there's the left side. So maybe what I can try and do is get this to be cosecant theta minus 1. Alright, so I have, oops, I didn't mean to do that. Let's do, okay, let's just leave that, I guess. So 1 minus sine theta over sine theta. What I'm going to do first is, let's just write it. 1 minus sine theta over sine theta. Well, what I can do is I can kind of distribute this division to both parts. So I can say this is the same as 1 over sine theta minus sine theta divided by sine theta. Right? And I'm just writing this out. You don't have to write this out if you don't want to, but they do cancel each other out. So this whole thing becomes 1 over sine theta, which is cosecant theta minus 1. And now these two things are the same. So I've worked. This over here was the left side, and down here was the right side. So I've verified this identity is true because I have cosecant theta minus 1 on the left side. I've rewritten it that way, and I've rewritten the right side, and I've also rewritten it on the left side. So that means these two things are the same, so therefore these two things are the same. So I verified that identity. So there's example number 6.